Did you know Arsenal once had a wonder kid who went from future Ballon d'Or winner to bench warmer in just 90 minutes? So Arsenal fans are buzzing before this Champions League match. They're calling this 18-year-old the next Messi. Social media is going crazy with highlight compilations and everything. Match starts, and within 5 minutes this kid gives the ball away twice. Arsenal fans are like, okay, nerves are normal, right? Then he tries some fancy footwork against their experienced defender. Gets absolutely cooked. Like the defender just took the ball, and probably his confidence too. The opposition clearly did their homework because they kept targeting him. Every attack went down his side. Kid looked like he was playing a different sport. By minute 30, Arsenal fans went from chanting his name to pretending they never heard of him. Twitter was brutal. People deleting their tweets calling him the chosen one. Then comes the most awkward substitution ever. Manager pulls him off and he just walks straight down the tunnel. Next week we find out if Arsenal fans have forgiven their former wonder kid or if he is still in witness protection.